Good morning, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a little bit of everything and a lot of nothing. So if you can see in the background, you see I have the GTO there. Okay, if you notice, I put the drag pack on the GTO. Yesterday I had a flat tire with my other drag radials and it had a nail in it, so I decided to go ahead and put the drag pack on so I can drive it around. So today I'm going to clean up the GTO. I'm going to show you a thing that the 05 and 06 GTOs have that won't allow it to burn out. So I'm going to get that fixed and I'm going to do some other things, but let's get to it. Okay, one of the first things I want to do is I need to put this back on. I have it here. I have it right here. So I just got to get that put back on. But I got to remove this door panel because when I put the window in, I realized that when I let the window down, it was moving real slow and something was binding up. So I look right here and you can see I didn't put the door panel back on all the way. So I'm going to go ahead and take the door panel back off and get that straightened out, and then we'll get to the second thing that I'm doing in this video. Okay, got the door panel back on the GTO, and I also just finished cleaning it up. So what I'm going to show you now is the 05 and 06 GTOs. It has a button on the actual brake pedal to prevent you from doing a burnout. So I'm going to demonstrate how it won't do a burnout now, and then I'm going to do something to that button to show you how to kind of go around it. And I'm getting ready to give it gas. Take it all the way down and it won't do anything. Alright, so if you look up under the dash, I'm trying to get a good angle so you can see it as well as demonstrate it for you. Alright, you see those two switches right there. See if I can get both hands in here. You got alright, let's try it this way. See those two switches there? You got the bottom one, that's for your brake light, and you got the top one up here, right there. That one is the one that actually prevents it from doing a burnout. So when you push the brake pedal, that one pops out. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some zip ties, and I'm going to zip tie that one closed, in the closed position as if the pedal is not being pressed. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you the result. So normally I'll zip tie this in the closed position like that, but I think since I got the whole switch off now, I'm just going to push it in and wrap a bunch of electrical tape around it to hold it there and put it back in there. Okay, you see how I did that? Just like I said, you can probably permanently do it by taking the wires off and connecting them so that the switch is in this a closed position. But I just did that real quick, and now I'm getting ready to go and put the vinyl top on the El Camino. So like I said in this video, I was going to do a lot of things in this video, so I'll get back with you when I get up there with the El Camino. Got the top on the El Camino. So what I'm doing now is just putting the trim on. Get all the trim put on it. Not sure if I'm gonna put the windshield trim on because I still got to get the windshield done. But I might just put the trim on it just to finish it off. So, all right, let me get back to it. Okay, got the top on. I put the molding back around the windshield. Also put the molding on around the bed. See around there. I still got a trim right up around there. And what I have to do also is right here, I'm gonna customize this because the vinyl used to go all the way back and I didn't want to take it back then on this one. So what I did is I had some molding right here and I'm gonna customize that and put it like that. So, and I'm not gonna get that done right now or today. The goal today was to get the top on there. So I got the top on, got the molding back on, got some of the molding on the side of the bed. I'm just gonna get all the molding and stuff done and make sure all that's done. And then El Camino will be complete. As far as everything else, just still be waiting on the wheels. So. All right, got the G8 wheels loaded into the back of the Sequoia so I can go take them, get them repaired. Can't drop them off, but I can't put them on back of my truck because on back of my truck I had my engine on the back, the 5.3, and I'll tell you more about this a little bit later in another video. So getting ready to go drop the wheels off for the G8. To drop the wheels off for the G8. It's the same guy that painted my GTO wheels twice, from the black GTO when I wrecked it, and also when I put the wheels on my yellow GTO, he actually went over and redid them. And he also painted when we had the G8, when I first got the G8, we had Camino wheels that we had for it, and he painted those also. He did those black. And of course my son got in an accident with it and it messed those wheels up, which is why he has the wheels that he has now. But the guy painted both sets of wheels. He painted some wheels for my brother's Mercedes, and he does a really good job on the wheels, and they stand up. They stand up to the time, weather, and as we've tested, they stand up to accidents. So I trust his work, and that's why he's my wheel guy. So I'm taking the G8 wheels back to him now from them getting scarred up in an accident. So okay, I'm back at the house now. Gonna close out this video, and in this video you saw I did a lot of different things. So as I said in the intro, I did a little bit of everything, a lot of nothing. But my biggest accomplishment that I wanted to knock out today was I did get the vinyl top put on the El Camino. So I still have to put the trim on, so I got to go and get a couple of more screws. Some of the screws I have are rusty, so I'm just going to replace those with new screws, get the screws on, get all the trim on, and that part of the El Camino will be complete. The only thing left after that would be the wheels. So the El Camino project is wrapping up. It's starting to come together, starting to look nice. So you will see more footage of me doing little stuff like driving it more and things like that. You also saw that in the GTO, I changed I don't know what that piece is or that switch is, but it prevents the 05 and 06 GTOs from doing a burnout. So I actually took that switch. You saw that I pushed it in, taped it up so it wouldn't pop back out, put it back in, and as you've seen, the car can now do a proper burnout. So also, I went and dropped the wheels off for the G8 so that the wheels can get painted from the scuffs that was on it. So I'm trying to get that done, and so I can get the G8 project wrapped up as well. So I did a little bit of everything in this video. So it was all over the place. So if you haven't, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.